In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email on Freshdesk. Whether you're new to Freshdesk or have been using it for a while, there's always a moment when you hit send on an email and immediately wish you could take it back. Maybe there's a typo, you forgot an attachment, or perhaps you just decided it wasn't the right time to send that message. Whatever the case, recalling an email can save you from various uncomfortable situations. And lucky for you, Freshdesk has a handy feature that allows you to do just that. So let's dive in and see how you can set up and use the undo send feature in Freshdesk to give yourself that critical second chance at sending the perfect email. First things first, you need to navigate to the Freshdesk website. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. A new page will prompt you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in, then hit continue. This initial step is your gateway to accessing all the features that Freshdesk has to offer, including the much needed ability to recall an email. After you've successfully logged in, your next move is to locate your profile photo, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Your profile photo is more than just a personal touch to your account. It's also where you'll access many of your settings and features. Click on your profile photo to proceed to the next step. A drop-down menu should appear after you've clicked your profile photo. From this menu, select Profile Settings. This section houses various settings related to your account, including the one we're interested in today, the ability to undo send on emails. In the Profile Settings area, you'll find a range of options that allow you to customize your Freshdesk experience. Look for the option labeled Undo Send. When you find it, toggle it to turn it on. This action is crucial as it activates the feature that allows you to recall an email after you've sent it. But remember, merely turning the option on isn't enough. You must also save your changes to ensure that the feature is active. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes, and that's it. You've successfully enabled the Undo Send feature on your Freshdesk account. This means that the next time you send out an email, you'll have the option to recall it within a short window of time if you realize you need to make any changes. This feature is incredibly handy and can truly be a lifesaver in various professional scenarios. While today's tutorial focused on activating the Undo Send feature, remember that the real test comes when you use it. Practicing and familiarizing yourself with how and when you can recall an email will ensure you're prepared the next time you need to use this feature. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful and has made managing your emails on Freshdesk a bit easier. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you navigate and maximize your use of various platforms.